and shortly thereafter came to stay in Mayapur. In those days, Mayapur, ISKCON Mayapur meant one building. The first building was there at that time when you joined? The first building was there. That was what's now called the Lotus Building, I believe. Yeah. Probably most of you are aware that the Namhata village preaching is widespread in Orissa and Bengal, especially in West Bengal. What you probably don't know is that this was all started by Bhakti Raghava Maharaj going village to village and getting people to chant Hare Krishna and organizing it all. And people were very impressed because many places you have to go by, there's no transport and you have to walk a long distance. So people were very impressed that someone has come from the other side of the world, is speaking in our language. Maharaj speaks Bengali. And also, as you can see, Maharaj it's more difficult for him to walk than for most of us. Actually, there was one incident in Mayapur in the early 1980s in which some dacoits attacked the temple. And they were attacking, they wanted to steal the deities. So Maharaj, he went down and just alone against a gang of dacoits tried to apprehend them. And one of them threw a bomb, and that's why Maharaj is now moving on one leg. When devotees eventually came, the dacoits had left, and Maharaj was sitting in a pool of blood chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now we have programs all over India for preaching to youth and bringing young people to Krishna consciousness. This wasn't always going on in India. It was actually Bhakti Raghava Maharaj who took the initiative and saw the opportunity there and started these programs. So these two programs are going on very well now. And now, as you can probably understand from the class, Maharaj is putting his attention into Varnashram development, which is all round, brings together all aspects of youth preaching, village preaching, all kinds of preaching. So that's just a few words. Hare Krishna. Thank you for coming. Please come again and again. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Shri Shri Gaura Nitai ki jai.